Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss regular expression operators. Regular expression are like operators used for pattern matching using regular expression. In like operators, we use wildcards for pattern matching, but here we will be using regular expression. In a while, we will study what are these regular expressions. It allows us for complex string matches that go beyond simple wildcard matching. So when you want to perform some advanced pattern matching, then you like to use regular expressions. Let's study what are the different kinds of regular expressions. First one is matching numeric values. So in this regular expression, caret symbol tells us the beginning of string, dollar symbols tells us end of the string, and inside brackets 0 to 9 it means a digit, any digit between 0 to 9, and plus tells us one or more occurrences. So you can have 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 8 numbers, or 10 digits. Then second, backslash small d or lowercase d letter. So this tells you that you will have a digits and there will be 3 digits. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, or 0, 1, 2. Backslash capital letter details, it is exactly opposite. It is non-digit characters in your string, so you will have multiple occurrences here, one or more. So it can be 1, 2, 3, ABC hash sign, then you can have AB 4, 5 question mark. So these are even non-digit characters. This regular expression tells you you will have a string with non-digit characters. Now finding a specific string patterns. Again, this symbol represents starting, and you are telling first letter or first character should be capital A. Now you will have allies. You can have also, let's say, Aston, or you can have Andy, small y. Okay. The condition that your first letter should be capital A. Then, similarly, the next one is you can have any string that's ending with this small letter E. After that, it's telling you you will have A that will occur 3 times together. So you can have any string where A will be 3 times. One of the example is this one. Now this pattern tells you the string will have at least 2 or more characters together. Here I'm just writing 2 and 3. So your strings will contain these patterns. Now this one is telling your string will have A 2 times and maximum 4 times. So 2, 3, and 4. Now next, case insensitivity. This particular pattern tells that your string will have at least a small or lowercase character between A to Z. So here you have L, I, C, E. Here you will have O, H, N. But if you have all caps letter and you are writing J, O, capital O, and capital N, so this string will not be detected since it's all letters they are capital. You need to have at least one of them in lowercase, one letter. Now this one, you will have at least one character in capital letters. So here E is in capital letter. Here you will have three capital letters. So this string will be detected. Now when you write this pattern inside parenthesis, inside parenthesis you write question mark and I. That means you will have case insensitive for this particular group of characters. That means ABC can have character in any case, either uppercase or lowercase. So these are the possible combinations, and you can have more combinations too. Now last one is multiple matching condition. So here ABC, if you want to have ABC anywhere in your string, then you will just write in parenthesis ABC. So it will detect ABC. Now next one is question mark. When you write question mark, so whatever the preceding letter, here U is a preceding character, let's say. So this will be optional. Now if you see, this will consider this whole string. Since it's optional, then it will consider this one too. Let's try to understand the regular expression operators using example. This is your table where you will have IDs, names, department IDs, and salaries. And the syntax for is you are selecting all columns from your employees table, and after that you're writing your where clause and the name of your column. So this is the column that you are selecting, and you are saying regular expression, and you can write here R like keyword too. And after that, in single quotation, you are saying this particular dollar sign represent the end of the string, and you are saying end of the string should be with E letter. So let's see how many strings we have with E ending. This one and this one. So we will have here two records. Now let's see the result table. Now this is how we got the results. If you want to use like different regular expression, you can just put those here and try to get the results. I think that's all for this tutorial, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you later.